Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to draw Miraidon from Pokemon Violet using ProCreate on iPad. First, change the background color to gray. Then, create new layer for the basic guideline. After that, lower down the opacity layer to 40%. Then, create new layer to sketch more detail on your character. Make sure the proportion of your character is right. It's okay if it's a little bit messy, that's why we called it sketch layer. When you're done with the sketching, lower down the opacity layer to 40%. Then, create new layer for making the line art. The line art layer have to be perfect. Make sure to add the final details, and correct the wrong proportion. My tips is, it's okay to always create another new layer. It will help you to erase some part easier. You can always merge it in the end. Now the line art layer is done. Disable the sketch layer. Make the line art layer as reference. Create a new layer for each base color, so that you can correct the wrong color in the end, or make the shiny Miraidon by changing the color only. Now add another new layer above every base color layer, and make them as clipping mask. Add the darker color to make the shadow. My tips is, separate every layer color, so then you can correct the wrong color in the end by only select them. Then, create another new layer for the highlight. Use white color and change the blending mode to overlay. Finally, add the blue and yellow color using soft brush to the new layer. Change the blending mode to add. Voila, your Miraidon is done. That's it for today. Thank you everyone for watching. And see you in the next episode.